Then visible light is used in treatment of jaundice. For example, when in premature babies or newborn babies, they are sometimes they are a bit pale in color. Why pale in color? Because of the presence of excess of bilirubin. Bilirubin is the yellow pigment present in bruises. So they are placed inside incubators where they are lit with the blue light. So what blue light does, it breaks down the bilirubin, and that the break version of bilirubin is excreted from the body in the form of urine or this sweat, right? This how the blue light is used for the treatment of jaundice in babies. Then X-Radiography. What is X-Radiography? This image, X-Radiography means taking the X-rays. All of us must have already done our X-rays for some part of our body, because it is very common these days to get X-ray for breaked up bones or for fracture in bones, right? This particular image was the first image. It was in 1985. So this was the first successful version of X-ray, and this image is the result of 15-minute exposure of X-rays on the human hand. Actually, the scientist who did this is his wife's hand, and that time it was 15-minute exposure. These days, the exposure of X-rays on the human body is not even more than 5 milliseconds, right? Then we know about how X-rays work, right? See the difference in image. Those back in the days we had X-rays like this, and now we have X-rays like this, right? So how this technology has evolved. Then computer tomography image, that is obviously CT scan. CT scan gives a virtual details of the tissues and other stuff collaborated with bones. So this is all computer generated, right? This image is showing this second metatarsal bone, and usually football players are injured in that bone. This image is showing the crack, right? In a crack in this pelvical joint. Then X-rays and gamma rays, they are used to cure cancers. How? Because when human body is exposed to gamma radiation, the very high energy radiations, they kill the cancer cells. How? Cancer cells, cancer occurs when a cell divides too quickly. The dividing cells become a tumor which can damage surrounding tissue or spread to the rest of the body. This is a very simple explanation of how cancer is done. So more and more number of cells increasing, this is what cancer is about. So when X-rays or other radiation can damage the DNA cells, they can also kill them, right? That is why radioactive can be dangerous, but cells which are dividing rapidly are more likely to be killed. So that is why when we use X-rays to kill the rapidly dividing cancer cells, we must also ensure that the healthy tissue is unaltered or untouched, right, or undamaged.